Hey guys, it's David from AskYourDatabase. So Sheldon and the team of geniuses have done it again. I'm excited to show you what's new. They've developed a way to make building internal tools and dashboards not only simple, but fast. Faster than ever before. If you ever struggled around with those platforms like Retool or Power BI, you know they're expensive, complex, and slow. And you usually have to try to find somebody to explain something to you. AskYourDatabase changes all of that. There's no coding and there's no problems. With this system, it's so easy. You don't have to write SQL queries, mess with complicated settings. You don't have to know jargon, coding, none of those things. Just say it and you got it. It's 60 to 100% faster than what you would get with any of these existing tools out there. And you don't have to worry about any of that stuff that we were talking about. You just say it. So if you're in customer service, operations, management, you can build a tool, have your own dashboard. You don't need any other help. And I'm going to show you how easy this is. So let's take a look. So what you see here, this is a film company, and they have a database of different videos and different things. Your database may be different. This is an example. So what we did was create like 10 samples of what's in the film field. So whatever your database is, this can draw from that, figure it out. It's intuitive and powerful. You don't have to figure it out or know anything. You just tell it what you want. It's going to plug in and do it for you. I'll show you how these are built. Super simple. What you need to know, plugging in for a data source, all you have to do is paste in the connection string and you're connected. You don't need training for that. It's so easy. Okay, so let's get back to this. On the dashboard, all you have to do is create a tab. So let's create a tab for your department. Okay, your dashboard is now ready. All we have to do is tell it what we want. The first thing we want to do is tell it to do that thing with the 10 tables. That way it knows exactly what we're talking about. We can look and see what this information is and work from there. So here we go. We're all set. That didn't take long at all. Okay, so you can see all these listings here. This is from the table row called films. And you can have all kinds of rows. It's going to figure all that out. You don't have to worry about any of that. So now that we have that, you might ask yourself, okay, that's nice. I'm seeing this little list of things, but I want it to do more. That's fine. All you have to do is come in here and edit it. And you can just add a little bit more. So let's make it a little more powerful, where it can add, delete, it can search, it can do all kinds of neat things. So we're adding that in, just typing it in, and now it's going to update it. Okay, now we're updated. So now we can add, we can search, we can do all these things that we had asked it to add in. We can delete stuff. Awesome. Now, let's say we want to go a little bit further and see some sales data, like we were showing in our example. So we just tell it that. We want to see a sales platform, give us some metrics, a little bit of information, what's going on. There you go. Okay, it's all set. Let's move it up here and match it. And there you go. Now you have your sales data. So that's how easy this is. You tell it what you want, you've got it. It's so easy to build a powerful internal tool with no coding or any kind of expertise. What would take hours on other platforms happens in minutes. We're excited for you to try this. Jump in, get your feet wet, and just let your dreams come true. Tell it anything you want, and you got it.